Phoenix for Oracle enables a swift and complete recovery, guaranteeing zero transaction loss and full consistency across all applications. This is an asynchronous Oracle Data Guard replication topology before adding Axxana. In the displayed scenario, we can see the production site architecture prior to using the Phoenix system for Oracle. The production site and the remote site are connected via an asynchronous link, using Oracle Data Guard as the replication solution. Data Guard is configured in the max performance or max availability configurations. The replication of both methods is incomplete. At any given moment, there is an unknown and unpredictable number of transactions, referred to as the lag, that were not transferred yet to the remote disaster recovery site. These transactions are not protected and therefore will be lost in the event of a disaster. To protect the lag, those transactions that are lost in the asynchronous replication scenario, Axxana developed a system that is based on a rigid, disaster-proof storage device similar to the black box on an airplane. Introducing the Phoenix system for Oracle. The Phoenix black box preserves the latest Oracle transactions that were not yet transferred to the remote site. The solution is based on native Oracle functionality called redo log multiplexing. Following a simple configuration step, the redo logs are being multiplexed by the Oracle database synchronously to the Axxana black box, while the archive logs are kept in a dedicated archive destination within the black box, so that at any given moment, the very last transactions, referred to as the lag, are protected inside the black box. The Phoenix system for Oracle consists of a black box device and a collector appliance at the production site and the recoverer software at the remote site. The Axxana Phoenix system for Oracle supports any fiber channel or NFS storage system, as well as Oracle Exadata through its InfiniBand connection. When a disaster strikes, all devices at the production site are no longer functional, with the exception of the Axxana Phoenix black box. The Axxana Phoenix black box is capable of transferring the lag data to the remote site using a variety of methods. 1. Over the WAN, in case it is intact. 2. Using a laptop when the box is physically accessible. 3. Via a fast cellular data link. When a disaster occurs, the Phoenix system for Oracle automatically detects the disaster, and following a pre-configured pause in inbound communication, the black box will compress the missing transactions stored within and start transmitting them directly to the Axxana recoverer using a predefined order. This process is automatically initiated long before anyone in the organization can identify that a disaster has occurred and decide to failover operation to the remote site. It very well may be that by the time a failover decision has been taken, all of the missing transactions stored inside the Axxana black box had already been transferred to the remote site and are ready to be merged into the Oracle databases. Otherwise, the failover process will usually take several hours before the DR site assumes production. With Axxana protecting the data, operation can resume fully and quickly. The result is zero transaction loss while achieving full consistency between all applications and databases with the minimum time to failover. When using these three critical applications, CRM, Data Warehouse, and ERP, which are replicated using Data Guard as an asynchronous configuration, each application database, with its own Data Guard replication, will be synchronized to a different point in time. When a disaster occurs and recovery takes place, these applications will not be synchronized to the same point in time. Most often there are transaction dependencies between the applications, and therefore the challenge is to synchronize all of them to one consistent point in time, the exact same time that the disaster occurred in the primary site. This cannot be achieved when using multiple asynchronous replication threads. When using the Phoenix system for Oracle, following the Axxana recovery process, the databases that were protected by the Axxana black box will all be synchronized to the exact same point in time. This is a sample of a complete Axxana recovery process. All applications, CRM, Data Warehouse, and ERP, are synchronized to the same timestamp, 9:40, which is the exact time the disaster occurred. With Axxana's 100% protection and recovery process, all protected databases and applications are ready to resume operation immediately following the disaster. Full protection for Oracle's mission-critical applications. The Axxana Phoenix system for Oracle is the only solution offering zero transaction loss across any geographical distance, with the fastest time to recovery and full consistency between all databases and applications. database application consistency, decreased recovery time, improved application performance. Significant bandwidth savings. Augment data guard and storage-based replication. Infrastructure agnostic. Fiber channel and iSCSI. NFS. Exadata through InfiniBand.